In this video, I'm going to show you how to make content visible and invisible for students. So there's a number of resources that I've uploaded to this, things like end of lesson tests and the student note templates that by default aren't available to students, but you as teachers can make them available, and I'm going to show you how. First of all, everything here is done at the class level, so students must be in classes for this to work. If a student's not in a class, they'll be able to see everything from tests to mark schemes. So if you want to restrict access, they must be in a class. So if we go to classes, and I've got there my class 1 and class 2. Let's say I want to make some material available to class 1. Click on class 1. Give it a moment to load. And you'll see there, toggle content visibility for A-level maths. If we go into that, and now you'll see this. So what you can do here, if you wanted to make all of year 1 pure unavailable to students, tap that. The students in this class, class 1, can't see that now. I'll make it re-available there. So let's say we want to have a look at some individual sections. If I didn't want SURDS to be visible, just tap that. Done. Make that visible again. Now if we go to individual lesson levels, again, if I want to make arithmetic with SURDS unavailable, tap that. Back available again. But when we get into an individual lesson, let's go into arithmetic with SURDS. You can see there's certain resources, and by default they are unavailable. So the arithmetic with SURDS lesson template, unavailable. But if I wanted to make that available to students in this class, there we go, it's available. If I wanted to make the end of lesson test available to them, there it is there. Students can now see it. And when they've done the test and everything's handed in and either you've marked it or you want the students to peer mark it, you can make the mark scheme available as well. And these mark schemes have full solutions attached to them. So now, in this school, in this class, both the arithmetic with SURDS test is available to students, and I've made the mark scheme available to students as well. Going to make those unavailable now. So that there is how you make individual resources available or unavailable to students.